Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be talking a little bit about a hair update. Sorry it looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm still just trying to let it be and do its thing. I've continued to use Arctic Fox Wrath. I absolutely love that shade. So anybody who recommended it to me, thank you so much. I really love how it looks, and when it starts to get a little bit faded, I do like how it fades more to the pink side rather than that weird kind of peachy salmon. I personally don't really like that color. Some people it looks amazing on and they love it. If you do, totally go for more of the orange based reds, but however, I love how this one fades and it starts to get a little lighter because it turns more into like a pinky berry tone, and so it's more workable. Yeah, I like how it fades, but I like this one way better than Arctic Fox Poison. I find that it lasts way longer when it comes to how it actually is supposed to look, but then it doesn't seem to stay as long in, where I feel like I'd have an easier time taking it out. Where Arctic Fox Poison, it would fade really fast, but then it would be stuck at this really weird bright orange shade, and I couldn't get it out. Where this one, it seems like it can go to fades of shades of pink, I guess, fading to shades of pink. So I'm excited about that, because then if I do want to let it go for a little bit and not always keep up on it, it can look to more of a presentable pink. So if that's something that you're more into, make it last a little bit longer, definitely do that. I always say definitely take whatever you use left of the bottle. There's a lot left that'll be in there. Take some white conditioner, put it in, shake it up, and then every time you're in the shower, you can put some through your hair, make your own overtone. I also really like the No Fade Fresh shampoo and conditioner. You don't need them both, you can do whatever. It still looks good with this kind of red. It still just keeps it just enough of vibrant and keeps it looking fresh. So I still recommend using that. But thank you guys so much. I just wanted to get on here and give you guys a quick update. I know I got a few questions on my Instagram for it, so I wanted to make sure I answered them. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. And if you guys have any other questions about hair care or anything like that, let me know down below. I know I'm looking kind of frizzy right now because it is October, yet today where I live it is 80 something degrees. So it was a good hair day, and then it started to get bigger and bigger as my hair is drying, but it's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Alright, thanks. Bye.